can see the camera's high. Oh my goodness, everybody. Is it a happy occasion or what?
Yeah!
Oh my goodness, Mike. Is that a pistol in your pocket or are you just happy to see me?
Yeah!
You know, Mike, is it like your birthday today?
Something like that.
Oh my goodness, how old are you, Mike? Ow! Oh, Mike, I like younger men, but that's ridiculous. You remind me of my old boyfriend, Oliver. You know, for my birthday last year, what Oliver gave me? A tombstone. You know what he wrote on that tombstone? Here lies May, cold as always. Huh. I gave him a tombstone for his birthday. You know what that said? Here lies Oliver, stiff as always. And then he comes up to me, Mike, and he says, hey, May, when I turn 80, I'm going to marry me a 20-year-old woman. What do you think of that? Oliver, when I'm 80, I'm going to marry me a 20-year-old man. And 20 goes into 80, a whole lot more than 80 goes into 20.
Yeah!
I've got a song for you today.
Oh, yeah.
A song written especially for you. Before we get to that, would you like to hold my monkey? Just a simple answer, Mike. Would you like to hold my monkey?
Sure. Give me your beer, give me your beer.
Somehow I knew you'd do that. You know, Oliver, I named him Oliver after my old boyfriend. Look at Oliver. You know, we went out dancing last night and carousing. We caroused a little too much and he lost a leg. You know what I mean? So you've got to be careful with Oliver here. Hold on to him for me. You know, I can tell you want to get your two hands on something I've got. So why don't you put your two hands around this envelope?
Yeah!
You're 22 years old. Oh, Mike, that's this side.
Yeah.
Load on this end.
See the monkey.
Oh, my God, that's good.
Yeah!
That's enough, Mike. Thank you. Just testing. You know, I've got the song for you, but in the song, I'm going to be blowing on this here kazoo, which I do rather well, I should say so myself. While I'm doing that, I want you to turn Oliver the monkey on for me, would you
I went through a chump, it's your turn.
So, Mike, you're not being a very good straight man here. I want you to turn Oliver the monkey on for me, would you please?
How do you turn him on?
Mike, how did you turn 22 without learning how to turn a monkey on, huh? You do it manually. Clap your hands together. Turn it on manually. Here we go. Are you ready? Oh, when you were 2 or 3, and Mommy would always see that you got a party on your birthday. But now you're older and more mature, at least I am pretty sure. And shouldn't be treated like a baby, 'cause no one gives a about your birthday anymore. No, it's not important, and I'm sure you'll agree. Your brain starts to atrophy. You can stop that for a minute, Mike. What does atrophy mean, Mike?
I have no idea.
Let's hope it never happens to you. It means rot. Each time that you celebrate a birthday, unfortunately, it helps remind you the best part of life's behind you. Oh, not at 22 on this body. Soon they will throw your final party. Your teeth will rot, your hair fall out, and sex will only refer to gender only. So join with me a toast to senility. We wish you a happy, crappy birthday. Here we go with Oliver. What could I possibly say here? inches. You never know when you're gonna get cold. And I brought a size extra large just in case. Think it'll fit, Mike?
We'll find out.
Oh, everybody, let's sing happy birthday to Mike.
Yeah!
Yeah!